Now that we've got the table all disassembled, let's get all these nails out of it so we can move on to the cleanup phase, and then we'll decide the best way to put it back together. That should be able to just pull these right out. Okay. Now that I have the nails removed from the boards, I'm going to start cleaning up the edges. Let's move on. Clean those up nicely. A nice smooth edge to work with. I think that's all I'm going to do as far as cleanup. She had some rounded edges, which looks like they might have been hand sanded, so I don't want to use a router or anything to undo that. Well, while I was sanding, I came across a few places that I'm going to have to fix with glue because I don't want them to break off while I'm doing any more work. There's this corner right here and this spot right here. It's easier to dip it versus squirt it straight on a piece. Put some glue in there. I'll let these dry and then we'll move on to the next phase.